How to program your UNIC machine for single-use espresso pods. Remove the portafilter from the machine and place the pod inside the basket. Return the portafilter to its original position and turn the machine off. Next, firmly hold down the W-shaped button at the top right of the panel and turn the machine back on. The letters PN will show on the display. Press the W button 2 more times until the letters PR show instead. Now, press the button you wish to program. The display will change to show the button you've selected, in this case the single shot button. To start, press the W button again. Using a timer, allow for the shot to pull for 12 seconds. Then press the W button again in order to stop the extraction. You now have a single shot of espresso programmed. Follow the same steps as you did for the single shot, only this time select the double shot button. Use your timer, but this time count up to 22 seconds. Press the W button again to stop the extraction, and wait 5 seconds for the panel to set the time. Using 1 package of Espresso Palladino, place the pod evenly in the basket of the portafilter. Return the portafilter to the machine and press the single shot serving button. Still using only 1 package of Espresso Palladino, place the pod evenly in the basket of the portafilter and then return to the machine. Select the double shot serving button, wait, and enjoy. Fill up the pitcher with milk just below the indentation. Next, purge the steam wand by turning the pressure on and off. Submerge the steam wand just below the surface of the milk and begin aerating. Bury the steam wand deeper as to create the whirlpool. This mixes up the milk's layers and smooths out the foam. The consistency of the milk should be silky smooth and resemble semi-gloss paint. Pour directly into the center of the cup, increasing your speed of pour while rocking your wrist from side to side. The closer you are to the cup, the better your art will be. To learn more, visit sokacoffee.com.